Hello guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Makeup Revolution new concealers. I asked if you guys wanted to see this review on my Instagram, so a lot of people said yes, so I'm going to be reviewing this concealers for you guys today. So this concealer retail for £4, guys. £4 for a concealer. I was like, okay, I'm getting there. And to be frank, it was quite difficult finding my shade to highlight for this concealer because the shade range are like confusing. So let me just put it like that. But I've not actually tried the product, so I don't know how it feels on the face. People are comparing it with the Tarte concealer. I've actually used the Tarte concealer. I've only used it once, and I used it from a friend. She has the Tarte concealer. I'll say I don't really like the Tarte concealer. I find it to be very drying for my under eyes because my under eyes can be really drying sometimes. So I hope this formula is better than the Tarte concealer. So let me just keep an open mind for this tutorial. I bought 3 shades from Superdrug. I got mine off Superdrug, and I got the shade C13. I got the shade C12 and C15. The reason why I didn't get the shade C14 was because I was thinking that color would be too ashy for me to contour with. So I decided to get the shade C15 to contour with. C12, I got this to highlight. Then I got C13 to like calm down I was thinking that the C12 would be too light. Do you understand? So the shade range is confusing, like I said. They said this concealer is supposed to give you like full coverage, filling and all that. So we're going to try that out if this concealer is full coverage, baby, you know. And if it blends well for the £4. It's £4, so you understand, it's cheap. Yeah, first and foremost, I've already moisturized my skin using my facial serum. I'll just show you the serum. I use the serum for my face to moisturize my face every day. To prime my skin, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer. I've been liking this primer. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Then for foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24 Hours Foundation. If you watch my favorite video of 2017, this foundation is Bay. Yeah, I'll link that video up here. Go watch it, please. I love you. So I'll use the Fenty to prime, then the Lancome for my face. And the shade of the Lancome I'm using is in shade 10. The UK shade and the US shade is quite different. The name are quite different, but the shades should be the same. You know, I always leave everything I use at the description bar. To use my F powder brush to just blend this. I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution concealers C12 to highlight. Feels really soft on the skin, and it's thick but not so thick. I'm going to take C13. I'm going to apply it in between the C12. Yeah, that is giving me Maybelline 30 Cafe color. So I like this color of C13, but it's not so bright. It's like my skin tone color. I actually like the one that comes with the concealer. It's quite nice. Blend this using the Retechnique sponge. It's blending out really nice. Oh wow. This concealer is blending out really nice. I'm going to come closer to you guys for you to see. Can you see that? Blend out really nice. We're going to take the shade C15 from the Makeup Revolution. So I'll blend using the Retechnique brush. It's blending out really nice. I was not expecting this. Foundation brush. Just blend out the hash line. Makeup Revolution. Just killed it with this concealer. To set my face in place, I bought their banana powder, the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and this is £5. I apply this underneath my eyes. So let me just dust off using my MAC powder. So I'll go finish up my face, then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on the concealer. So yeah, this is my face. I've done my eyes, and for my eyes I use the BH Cosmetic is my Riri palette. I just reviewed this now, yeah, as I'm like 2-in-1 video, you understand. So I'm going to link the review of this eyeshadow up here for you to go check it out when the video is out. Okay, so for the concealer, let's come back to the concealer. I actually like this concealer, guys. I'm going to give this concealer a plus. I actually like this concealer. This concealer is really nice, very easy to blend, and the coverage is really nice. It is decent. The coverage is nice. Yeah, it's easy to blend and it's £4. That's just it. Let's just leave it there. I love this concealer. Yeah, like it's so fulfilling and so nice when you get to find affordable makeup that actually work. And the only con I'm going to say about this Makeup Revolution concealer is that the shade range is rubbish. As far rubbish, this shade range is not nice because there's no shade in between. Once you have C12, C13 is too dark to highlight with. So they need to add like in between shade for like dark skin for you to highlight with, because C12 is too light. Even on me, it's too light. Just imagine for someone darker than I am, it's going to be too light, right? I use this C15 to contour. It works really nice. It blends like a dream. This concealer just blend. Yeah. So I'm going to give the concealer a plus. Makeup Revolution tried in the formula, the way it blends. For full coverage, I would say it's medium to full coverage, so you can actually build it up. Yeah, that's all I can say about this concealer. For £4, it's not bad. Details will be at the description bar. If it's sold out, make sure to put your notification for you to know when it's back on stock. You know, it's always going to come back. I bought mine from Superdrug, so hopefully when I upload this video, it's going to still be there for you to get it. Even though it's 1 or 2, it's just £4. You understand? People get like £20 from Tarts. And this is just, I even prefer this than the Tarts, just to say, because I've used the Tarts before and I don't have it. I used it from a friend. It was too thick, too dry to blend. No, not my cup of tea. Thank God I didn't buy it. This one, I'm okay with it. This is beautiful. This concealer is nice. Yeah. So for the banana powder by Makeup Revolution, it's okay. It's decent. £5. It's not bad. It's okay. That's all I have to say. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Not bad. The bad powder is decent. So that is all I have to say. Thank you for watching the Makeup Revolution concealer review. If you have any suggestion, leave it at the comment section. If you have anything to say, if you use the concealer, tell me how you feel about it at the comment section. Then we can gist and talk about it. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, do hit the subscribe button. Join the family, guys. Thank you to my old and new subscriber. You know how we do. I love you guys. You love me back. We love each other. Kisses. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.